Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. First, preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial step is crucial for consistent cooking. Next, carefully place up to 6 large eggs directly into the air fryer basket. Make sure they are in a single layer, allowing the hot air to circulate evenly around each egg for perfect results every time. Now let's talk about cooking time. For a firm, fully set yolk, cook your eggs for 13 to 17 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a slightly softer, jammy yolk, reduce the cooking time to around 11 minutes. Remember, cooking times can vary slightly depending on your specific air fryer model, so adjust as needed for your perfect egg. Once cooked, immediately transfer your eggs to an ice bath. This crucial step, lasting about 5 minutes, rapidly cools the eggs, stopping the cooking process and preventing a green ring around the yolk. The sudden temperature change also helps the shells separate from the egg white, making them incredibly easy to peel. Gently tap and roll each egg to crack the shell. And there you have it, perfectly air-fried hard-boiled eggs ready to enjoy. These versatile eggs are fantastic for a quick, healthy snack, adding to salads, or transforming into delicious deviled eggs. If you peel them, store them in an airtight container in your refrigerator for up to 5 days. This easy method ensures consistent, delicious results every single time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.